In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Excel and make sure your data is prepared in a clean, organized table. This is important because charts work best when your information is structured clearly, with column headings at the top. For example, you might have one column for months and another for sales figures. A simple table like that gives Excel exactly what it needs to build a chart correctly. Once your data is ready, select the full range you want to turn into a chart, including the headers. In a sample worksheet, that might be cells A1 through B6. Including the headings helps Excel label the chart automatically, which saves time and makes the final result easier to understand. Next, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, choose the chart type that best matches the story your data is telling. A column chart is great for comparing values across categories. A bar chart works well when category names are longer. A line chart is useful for showing trends over time. A pie chart helps display parts of a whole, and a scatter chart is ideal when you want to show the relationship between two sets of numeric values. After choosing the chart type, click the subtype you prefer, and Excel will automatically create the chart for you. After the chart appears, click on it to begin customizing it. You can edit the chart title just by clicking the title text and typing a new one. If you want to add or remove extra details, use the Chart Elements button, which appears as a plus sign next to the chart. From there, you can control things like axis titles, data labels, the legend, and grid lines. You can also open the Chart Design tab to try different chart styles and layouts, which is a quick way to improve the chart's appearance without changing the data itself. If you want even more control over how the chart looks, right-click the chart or a specific chart element, then choose options like Format Chart Area, Format Data Series, or Format Axis. This is where you can adjust fonts, number formats, axis scales, and other visual settings to make the chart more polished and easier to read. Finally, you can move or resize the chart as needed. Just drag the chart to place it anywhere on the worksheet and use the corner handles to resize it. If you want the chart on its own worksheet, click the chart, go to the Chart Design tab, select Move Chart, and then choose either a new sheet or keep it as an object in the current worksheet.